Hi, I'm Jerry Gibbs, and today I'd like to look at how we apply dehumidifiers to a flooded house. Because I've got a larger tent volume, I can use a larger capacity machine. This is the DH3500. This is a powerful dehumidifier. It's moving the air at the rate of 400 cubic metres of air per hour. And in this chamber, that has a volume of 2.5 cubic metres. So the machine can do more than 150 cubic metres of air exchanging in there per hour. But in reality what's happening is because the machine produces 400 cubic metres, 400 cubic metres are being driven in and 400 cubic metres of air is actually going to escape. And that's going to go back into the kitchen. But the machine first has to absorb the air that's in the kitchen. So if we've got high humidity in the kitchen caused by cooking, boiling potatoes, the kettle, some of that water vapour is going to go into the machine, and the machine works hard to absorb that. And so the air that goes into the tent can only be a little bit drier than the air that was in the room to start with. And we could make that so much more efficient if we could put the dehumidifier in the tent. So I'd like to show you how we could make that more efficient.